Hi, I am Abhishek
I'm Sumit.
And I'm Atharva.
and we are the co-founders of StatStream.ai.
StatStream is a cloud-based IoT-powered maintenance and asset management platform.
StatStream helps manufacturing, retail stores, and commercial spaces to monitor critical parameters and also manage and maintain the assets.
StatStream also helps streamline day-to-day maintenance operations and enhance efficiency, reliability across industries.
Power, renewable energy, and utilities. Gain real-time insights into the parameters like voltage, current, power consumption, and demand trends.
Monitor solar panel health, track energy production, and implement proactive maintenance to maximize daily energy generation.
Continuously track water levels, detect leaks, monitor water quality, and receive instant alerts to prevent water wastage. Manufacturing. Monitor key production metrics, track machine performance, detect anomalies in real time, and reduce unplanned downtime with predictive maintenance.
Now let us see how StatStream can help in the facilities sector. In shopping malls, retail stores, warehouses, and hospitals, always keep your assets fully operational and also keep your maintenance team connected.